basketball. C for cycle. D for dog. E for exercise. F for family. G for girl. H for hands. I for ice cream. J for jogging. K for kingfisher. L for laptop. M for medicine. N for notes. O for older. P for parachute. Q for quarantine. R for rocket. S for spider. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for vaccine. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zoom. Like, subscribe and share.